आई थिंक एवरी वन इज़ गेटिंग अपडेटेड। मेरे हिसाब से सब पहले एक एंड्रॉयड यूज़ करा करते थे, नाउ पीपल इज़ हैविंग देयर ओन आईफोन्स विद देम। हो सकता है पहले वो स्कूटर पे चला करते थे, नाउ दे आर ऑन अ बाइक, नाउ मे बी दे आर इन ए कार। 0 day when I met Ramakant ji from Corona Sortec, I said to him, I need the best. He said, sir, there will be some differences in the prices in regard to the market. मैंने कहा I'm okay, but I need it for next 25 years. So there might be a difference of 10-15,000 rupees from other vendors, but if you want a quality you have to pay for it.
आज के भारत को ज़रूरत है ऐसे लोगों की जो कहीं ना कहीं फ्यूचरिस्टिक तो सोचते ही हों, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ कंट्री के डेवलपमेंट की, एनवायरनमेंट के डेवलपमेंट की भी सोचते हों, और कहीं ना कहीं शुरुआत से ही उनका विज़न क्लियर हो कि किस तरीके से अपने फ्यूचर को भी सिक्योर करना है और कंट्री के एनवायरनमेंट के डेवलपमेंट को भी देखना है। उन्हीं में से एक हैं असीम गोयल जी मेरे साथ, जिन्होंने अपना घर, अपनी बिल्डिंग बनवाने के 0 डे पर ये सोच लिया कि सोलर तो लगवाना ही है, और उससे क्या क्या फ़ायदे हुए सर से जानेंगे। सर, पहली बात तो बहुत इंस्पिरेशन है आप उन सब लोगों के लिए जो अभी तक सिर्फ सोच रहे हैं कि हाँ लगाएंगे, कब लगाएंगे, तब लगाएंगे। एक बार में एक बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट लगाकर फ्यूचर की सोचना, कंट्री डेवलपमेंट की सोचना, एनवायरनमेंट के लिए सोचना कितना मुश्किल था या शुरू से ही क्लियर था?
It was a clear thought process on a 0 day कि we need to have a solar. It was a inspiration, which not an inspiration, it is a guidance which has been given by my father, that we need to have a solar on a 0 day because in future you will be requiring it. So better to have it right now, and this is the right time to do it since you will be having a heavy electricity consumption first. Secondly, somehow I believe that is good for everyone to have this on his head means top of his building. Reason being, it is just for the social purpose also, for himself also, because I believe after 4-5 years you will be on a break even point of your investment. Post that whatever you are getting from this plant, it is zero cost.
So it is very much clear that you have two options: either you crib for raising prices or increasing prices of electricity, or you make such a decision of having a solar plant. सर, क्या लगता है आपको, ये सोलर प्लांट होने से आप उन लोगों से जिनके पास सोलर नहीं है कितना पैसा बचा रहे हैं, और पैसा बचाने के साथ साथ आप आने वाले कितने वक्त के लिए अपने फ़ायदे की चीज़ आपने सोची?
So be on a factful side, I have not paid a single rupee to JVBNL in last 14 months when this plant has been installed, and right now even a few months back I have just been credited with some amount of rupees 9,000 in my account, and that is over and above what I have used. So practically you are not giving anything to the department. It is all about putting up the money on 0 day. If you calculate by the way of putting up the interest on that amount also, I feel so it will be getting free in 4 to 5 years depending upon your utilization also. So my utilization is very much average, so I am saving 4 to 5 years. The person who is having a heavy utilization might be getting a break even much more earlier. So it depends, but somehow it is good for everyone, and one should have this option available who can afford the same, even though government has given some policies to fund the same through some RBI regulated agencies like banks and like NBFCs, like some organizations which are doing funding for the same. It is also a part of a home loan, I believe so, by a few of the banks. So somehow you can get the same funded there and take the benefit of paying zero electricity to the government.
So it is a matter of vision. If you have that vision, everything is sorted out for you. And like Asim sir, all those people who have opted for solar, after break even also they are getting it for more than 20 years profit of all these electricity bills. And also sir, एक बात कहीं ना कहीं लोगों को और जाननी है कि जिस तरह से एक हवा बना हुआ रहता है कि 5 लाख रुपए का इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, वो इन्वेस्टमेंट कर देंगे, उससे अच्छा तो कुछ और कर लेते हैं, और फिर टेक्नोलॉजिकली अपडेट नहीं होकर हम क्रिप करते हैं कि क्यों इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के दाम बढ़ रहे हैं। तो ईदर क्रिप और गेट टेक्नोलॉजी अपडेटेड, इसके लिए आप लोगों को क्या कहना चाहिए?
आई थिंक एवरी वन इज़ गेटिंग अपडेटेड। मेरे हिसाब से सब पहले एक एंड्रॉयड यूज़ करा करते थे, नाउ पीपल इज़ हैविंग देयर ओन आईफोन्स विद देम। हो सकता है पहले वो स्कूटर पे चला करते थे, नाउ दे आर ऑन अ बाइक, नाउ मे बी दे आर इन अ कार। सो एवरी वन इज़ इम्प्रूविंग देयर लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड, एंड पर्सनली सेइंग it will help you in saving something. So somehow you can use that money in other parts, but initially you have to put out the money, and even though few of the financial institutions are helping you, so this is a method which you can use. Either you have to put money with your own, or you can take the money through a home loan or through the financial institution which are putting up the same. So there are way outs to do it, but I still believe, and somehow I felt I have never paid electricity bill from last 12-14 months. So somehow it comes to my mind it's a better option to opt, even though in other sense also you are saving some of the units for other people who can use the same.
So now also I should talk about Corona Soltech services. You are taking the services of Corona Soltech from last 14-16 months. कितना सेटिस्फैक्शन उसको लेकर है, एंड जब आप कोई चीज़ 25 सालों के लिए लगा रहे हैं आने वाले, तो आपको क्वालिटी बहुत मैटर करती है, क्वालिटी को लेकर आपका क्या सेटिस्फैक्शन?
0 day when I met Ramakant ji from Corona Soltech, I said to him, I need the best. He said, sir, there will be some differences in the prices in regard to the market. मैंने कहा I'm okay, but I need it for next 25 years. So there might be a difference of 10-15,000 rupees from other vendors, but if you want a quality you have to pay for it. So it depends what you want. There are vendors who are saying they will the things will work for 25 years, but no one has seen it.
Right.
So it is all about what you want. I want a comfort for my mind. That's why I put it to Corona Soltech.
And when it is a long-term project, the thing is also about service. How did you like the service of Corona?
There is no such issues as of now. Even though I have not faced a single day of issue till date, even though installation and everything has to be on their part, including the getting a connection from the JVBNL, and all the things has to be done. Whatever the paper formalities has to be done has been done by Corona Soltech. So practically saying, I have just paid the amount to them. The rest has been taken care by them.
And when you saw your structure and compare it with the structure of others, how do you like it?
Somehow feel better. You can even though check with the quality of pipes being used at the time of putting up the structure in comparison to the others. So others are getting painted, others are getting rusty. Even though you can look at here, it is almost there for 14 months. I doesn't found a single rust here. So somehow the quality matters. If you are paying for a quality, you are getting a quality. And if you want a quality, you need to get a better vendor. So I feel Corona Soltech is a good vendor to have it.
So having a word with Aseem ji gives us 3 takeaways. First is, if you want quality, you have to go for a quality vendor and not look for the price difference. And second is, go for a vision like Aseem ji. From 0 day, he has a vision of having a solar plant, and he is saying कि उनके फादर ने, उनके पिताजी ने शुरू से ये गाइडेंस दी कि ऐसा होना ही चाहिए. तो राइट गाइडेंस एंड राइट विजन विल टेक यू टू राइट फ्यूचर. एंड समहाउ ये सब कुछ करके एक फीलिंग अंदर ये भी होती है कि आप देश के लिए, एनवायरनमेंट के लिए बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. ऑल्सो सर, लास्ट वर्ड, जिस तरीके से आप एक लर्निड सिटीज़न हैं, आप देख रहे हैं कि लगातार बिजली कंपनियां लॉसेस में जाती हैं. ऐसे में अगर हम और हमसे इंस्पायर होकर और लोग ऐसा डिसीजन लेते हैं कि सोलर लगा रहे हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो घाटा जो हमारे राज्य को ही हो रहा है, उस घाटे को कम करने में भी हम एक भागीदारी निभा रहे हैं.
ऑब्वियसली वी आर डूइंग इट. कहीं ना कहीं वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सेव हो रही है ना, तो हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं उसको डेवलप एक तरीके से बनाने के लिए जो भी हम लोग पैसा खर्च करते हैं, तो दैट इज़ अ कॉस्ट टू अस. कॉस्ट टू अस मीन्स कॉस्ट टू गवर्नमेंट. तो somehow वो मेरी कॉस्ट कम हो रही है, बिकॉज आई एम क्रिएटिंग माई यूनिट्स विद माई ओन एंड यूजिंग इट विद माई ओन. Plus, I am giving the surplus to the government, which they are using to the other vendors, the other people who are been living nearby me, who is not using the solar panels right now. But somehow, with the time, they will felt it and they will do it. Even though when I have been here, I am the even not counted it in a right way. But even though from my rooftop, I am able to visualize only one solar that is there only. Fine. Right now, if you look at if you will find around 10 to 12 people are having a new solar plants, that too in last 12 months only. So somehow people are moving, but it is taking some time to take decisions. So new homes are coming with all the facilities. This is not a part. This is now a part of a facility. So using a AC and putting up the electricity bills on a higher side, people realize better to put a solar. So it's fruitful in regards to individual, in regards to the social, in regards to the country also.
तो कहीं ना कहीं अगर आपको एक चीज़ से बहुत सारे प्रॉफिट्स खुद के लिए भी, कंट्री के लिए भी, एनवायरनमेंट के लिए भी, आपके स्टेट की फिनेंशियल कंडीशन को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए भी लेने हैं, सो यू हैव टू गो फॉर सोलर. और जिस तरीके से इंस्पिरेशन असीम गोयल सर जैसे लोगों से मिलती है और बताते हैं सर कि एक प्लांट था जब आए थे और अब 10-12 प्लांट हो गए, इसी तेज़ी से आगे बढ़ना है और देश को, एनवायरनमेंट को, स्टेट को, खुद को आगे बढ़ाना है. कैमरा पर्सन चेतन के साथ वरुण बंसाली, कोरोना सोल्टेक के लिए.